Hello and welcome to Tom's Toolbox. I'm your host, Tom Clark, and today I have a new addition to the Dykem Cross Check family to show you. Now, when you need to work quickly, Dykem Cross Check FAST contributes to the accuracy of quality control processes, improves safety by turning a manual process into a simple visual check, and offers proof against tampering of your product. Now, this new fast drying torque seal allows you to mark a part and move on, avoiding downtime. Dry to the touch in less than a minute, Cross Check FAST is a visual solution for checking movement of parts and fasteners like nuts and bolts that we have right here on the counter. And that could be from vibration, maybe usage, or even tampering. It allows you to quickly perform a visual inspection on a piece of equipment to see where maintenance work might be required to keep it running safely. Basically, you can see where your problem isn't. So, what do you say we put on some PPE and try it out? Now, for this one, I've got on some glasses, all right? And I'm going to throw on some gloves as well. Now, whenever you're working for whatever project it is, make sure you're wearing the proper PPE for whatever that particular job calls for. We always want to be safe, all right? So I'm going to take this nut and bolt right here, and I'm going to use Orange Cross Check FAST, and I'm going to apply a thin bead and a line across the threads of the bolt and the nut so I can see real clearly. Here we go. Okay. Now, this new formula dries to the touch in less than a minute, and it will completely cure in less than 24 hours. That's a real bonus if you're currently using a product that smudges or transfers onto other surfaces or even your hands. It also withstands harsh chemical aggressors like heavy industrial cleaning agents and hydraulic fluids, making it ideal for demanding industrial applications. It can also withstand up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, one of my favorite things it does, so it's not going to break down. Now, once it's dry, you can see if there's been any movement whatsoever by the broken line. And I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm going to take this one here. It's already been dried. Watch very carefully how I break this. See how that broke right there? Let me show you. You can actually see, now the lines have been separated. You got the blue that's been separated, the orange, and then the yellow. That's the three colors that it comes in. I mean, it's really easy to spot. The three colors, as I said, blue, orange, and yellow, fluoresce under black light. You probably don't believe me, do you? All right, okay. Can I get the lights turned off, please, so I can show everybody that it really does fluoresce? Lights! Ready, kids? Here we go. Look at that. Huh? Is that awesome? Ready? Lights off. Lights. Look at that. Bam, 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 bam. Dun, 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 dun. Lights back on. This makes checks even more efficient when application areas are dark and hard to see or hard to reach. This addition to the Dykem Cross Check family is great for use anywhere maintaining torque is crucial, time is of the essence, and resistance to harsh chemicals is critical. Well, that about does it for this edition of Tom's Toolbox. As you can see, I had on the proper PPE for this entire demonstration. You should too, for whatever the job calls for. PPE is priority number one. Priority number two is going to mihowto.com. That is the website where you can find some other videos with me, Tom Clark, as your host. Thanks so much for watching.